when splitting text into columns, you may come across the problem of line breaks. So if you look at this data, it looks fine. If I click here, I'm just going to pull this down. You'll see that there's actually data on a second line, and a little bit later down here, there's actually on 3 lines. So we want to now take that data and go text to columns based on where it goes to the line below. It's called a line break. Now the problem is a line break is a special character in Excel. You can't create it on your keyboard, but we can use it in our text to columns. So I'm going to go data, text to columns. It's going to be delimited. I'm going to go next. I'm just going to get rid of that. And in the other column here, I'm just going to push Control plus J. Immediately you'll see it's recognized that there's some line breaks, and if we go across, you'll see it's recognized them. It looks like it's working, so it's a Control plus J here. I could go next, decide what I want to do, and when I click finish, you'll see what it's done is it's split this data where the line breaks were, so where it was entered within a cell.